In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn Roman numerals into numbers in Excel. By the end, you'll confidently convert any list of Roman numerals into standard numbers using a single built-in function, with zero manual decoding. First, get your worksheet in view and locate the place where you want the numeric result to appear. Click the cell where you want Excel to display the converted number. Choosing a clear destination cell helps you keep your original Roman numerals intact and your results easy to read side by side. Now we'll write the formula that does all the work. Start by typing an equals sign to tell Excel you're entering a formula. Next, type Arabic, which is the function designed to translate Roman numerals into regular numbers. Immediately after that, open a parenthesis. With the parenthesis open, click the cell or highlight the range that contains the Roman numerals you want to convert. This lets Excel know exactly which text to translate. Finally, close the parenthesis. So your formula will look like equals, Arabic, open parenthesis, your cell or range, close parenthesis. For example, if your Roman numeral is in B2, you would have equals Arabic B2. If your version of Excel supports dynamic arrays, pointing to a range like B2 B10 will spill the results down automatically in one step. Press Enter to complete the formula. Excel immediately returns the corresponding number. If you referenced a single cell, you'll see one result in the cell you clicked at the start. If you referenced a supported range, you'll see a neat column of results appear, aligned with your Roman numerals. A few quick tips to make this go smoothly. The Arabic function is not case-sensitive, so both what14 and before14 work the same. It expects a valid Roman numeral made up of the letters I, V, X, L, C, D, and M in the correct order. If you see an error, double-check for typos or hidden spaces, especially if you pasted the data from another source. Removing extra spaces or stray characters usually resolves issues right away. Also, your original Roman numerals are never altered. The function simply reads them and displays the converted value in your formula cell, which keeps your data clean and traceable. That's all there is to it. Click the destination cell, type equals Arabic with your cell or range inside the parentheses, and press Enter. With this approach, you can convert Roman numerals to standard numbers accurately and in seconds right inside Excel.